we all know, too much of heat is not good to the health of your poultry bed, including human being. But heat sometimes is good, especially during the cold time for your bed, including human being. But too much of heat, they can kill your bed, they can make your bed not comfortable, and they can cause some health damages or problem to your poultry bed. So in today's video, I will be showing you how to raise your broiler, your cockerel, your turkey, or any type of poultry bed successfully during this heat time. Just follow this step, then you thank me later. So let's go. To raise your poultry bed successfully during this heat time, the number one thing you need to do is that you need to avoid overcrowding of your poultry bed. Yes, as we all know, overcrowding can cause heat in your poultry bed. So your poultry house should be spacious enough to accommodate plenty beds, and your bed should not be overcrowded. The second one is that you need to give your beds multivitamin to help reduce stress. As we all know, multivitamin is a growth booster and it helps to reduce stress. You can put it in their water during the afternoon time. The next thing you need to do is to change their water regularly. Yes, changing your bed water regularly will really help to reduce stress. Even though their water is still clean, once it is afternoon, you need to change their water. Another thing is that because of this heat, you need to give your bed cold water. You can put ice block in their water. Yes, because of this heat, you need to give your bed cold water, because that one will still help to reduce stress and regulate their temperature. If you don't have cold water in your bed, you can put ice block in order to make the water cold. It will help to reduce stress. Another thing is that your poultry house should be spacious enough to accommodate plenty bed and for enough ventilation. As we all know, we are talking about heat, so ventilation is very important in your poultry house. So if you are building poultry house during this heat time, you need to build your poultry house need to have enough hole for ventilation. You can use the mesh nets, or you can put enough window in your poultry house. It will enable fresh air to enter into your poultry house. The last one I want to talk about is that you need to plant trees around your poultry house. It will help to produce fresh air for your poultry bed. So planting trees around your poultry house, it will help to bring in fresh air to your bed. As we all know, your beds, they really need this fresh air during this heat time. That's just a simple way of raising your beds during this heat time. So thank you guys for sticking with me to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any question or you have anything to drop in the comment section, you are free to do that. Don't forget to subscribe to Vitex Farm channel. Thanks for sticking with me to the end of the video. I hope you learned a lot. Thank you. Bye. See you in my next video. Lots of love.